Assalamu students, welcome to Army Public School PMA Resource Network. I am your Arabic teacher. Before we start, please subscribe this page and click on bell icon. Today our topic is Haruf Tahajji, Arabic alphabet, lesson number 1, page number 5. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Students, this is our book Fehme Arabi. Before we start our lesson, I would like to discuss few things with you. Why we are studying Arabic. As you all know, Allah has created us. अल्लाह ने हमें पैदा किया और ज़िंदगी गुजारने का एक तरीका बताया जो कि कुरान पाक में मौजूद है और हज़रत मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम के ज़रिए जो कि हमारे आखिरी नबी हैं हम तक पहुंचा। ये किताब अरबी में है और जब तक हम अरबी नहीं समझे और सीखेंगे हमें कुरान पाक सही मायनों में नहीं समझ आएगा। और अरबी सीखने का सबसे पहला स्टेप इसकी अल्फ़ाबेट्स यानी हरूफ तहजी हैं। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट आवर फर्स्ट लेसन हरूफ तहजी अरबिक अल्फ़ाबेट्स। प्यारे बच्चों, फ़हम का मतलब है टू अंडरस्टैंड, किसी चीज़ का अदराक करना, सूझबूझ रखना। यानी आप जब तक अरबी को नहीं समझ सकेंगे तब तक आप कुरान पाक को नहीं समझ सकेंगे। और अरबी को समझने के लिए सबसे पहली स्टेज है टू अंडरस्टैंड द अरबिक अल्फ़ाबेट्स एंड देयर साउंड। Dear students, there are 28 or 29 alphabets in Arabic. Both the answers are right because 28 letters are with sound, whereas one letter, that is alif, is a stretching letter. जहाँ लफ्ज़ खींचा जाए, अल्फाज को खींचा जाए, वहाँ पर अलिफ इस्तेमाल किया जाता है। As I told you, there is one stretching letter, that is alif. There are two types of sounds in Arabic language, light sound and heavy sound. Light sound is a sound that comes out of your mouth, for example, car, cat, and heavy sound that remains inside your mouth as your mouth is full of sound, for example, awe, awesome. Dear students, this is our first page of our book, page number 5, lesson number 1, topic is Haruf Tahajji, Arabic alphabets. As I told you, there are 28 alphabet letters including alif that makes 29 alphabets in Arabic. जैसे हम इंग्लिश में लेफ़्ट टू राइट स्टार्ट करते हैं, इसी तरह हम उर्दू और अरबी में राइट टू लेफ़्ट स्टार्ट करते हैं। There are 3 long letters in Arabic, that is A, E and U. Alif sounds A, Ya sounds E and Waw sounds U, that make the sounds of A, E, U. These are the few things I would like to discuss before we start our lesson so that you can understand the sounds and the alphabets of Arabic. Let's start our lesson. Alif, Ba, Ta, Sa, Jim, Ha, Ho. Ho is a heavy letter. Dal, Zal, Ra. Ra again a heavy letter. Za, Seen. Seen is like in English as we say I have seen you. That makes sound of S. Seen. Sheen is like she. Swad, Dwad, Ta, Za. Now Swad, Dwad, Ta and Za is a heavy letter. Ain is a lighter letter. Ghain is a heavy letter. Fa, Qaf. Qaf again a heavy letter. Kaf, Lam, Mim, Noon. Now Kaf, Lam, Mim and Noon is like K, L, M and N. Wow. Wow is like W sound in English. Ha is like H sound. Hamza and last letter is Ya. As I told you that there are 8 heavy letters in Arabic. Ha, Ra, Swad, Dwad, Ta, Za, Ghain and Qaf. we'll start from the beginning so that you can recognize the shapes and learn the alphabets. Alif, Ba, Ta, Sa, Jim, Ha, Kha, Dal, Zal, Ra, Za, Sin, Sheen, Swad, Dod, To, Zo, Ain, Ghain, Fa, Qaf, Kaf, Lam, Mim, Noon, Waw, Ha, Hamza, and the last letter Ya. I hope students you have understand the alphabets and their sounds. Keep revising it at home. Alphabet with sounds. Stay safe till next. Allah Hafiz.